unbox this. Tsuyosa is an automatic mechanical watch with 40 hours of power reserve, made from scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. This watch works by movement of our wrist. 8210 caliber automatic hand movement. This watch works without battery. Citizen Tsuyosa is engineered for exceptional longevity. With versatile design and stainless steel bracelet that is really comfortable to wear, it comes with sunray lid dial and mechanical heritage case back that is perfectly designed to withstand the wear and tear of daily use. This watch has 40 hours of power backup, and if you don't use the watch or place it idle for more than 40 hours, the watch will automatically stop. This happens because the watch reduces the mechanical wear and tear, protecting the watch undergoing heat and pressure, and there are microscopic synthetic oils inside the watch. It prevents from drying up automatically. Like I said, this watch is designed to be there with you for a long number of years. Now let us talk about the water resistant capacity of Citizen Tsuyosa watch. The watch is not designed as a sports watch. It's a mechanical automatic watch. It's a legendary watch where in olden days these watches are considered to have very long life. Citizen Tsuyosa is given 50 meters 5-bar certification when it comes to water resistance, which means you can wear it in rain. You can wear it when you are washing your hands, but it is not advisable to wear it in big thunderstorms, or it is never advisable to wear in scuba diving or in swimming. The 50 meters represents that it can withstand 50 meters of water pressure. So, whenever you go in a rain, make sure that you wipe it with a dry cloth once you are home. Now, important thing that you should remember is this is called crown, where we give the key for the entire watch. We're going to talk about this in a minute, but when you are exposing this watch in the water, let it be rain, let it be any water, even minimal water, make sure that you do not pull this crown out to change the date or time. Now let us see how to adjust the time, what are windings, and how to adjust the date. Now, when this watch is kept idle inside without wearing for more than 40 hours, the watch will stop. So we have to give windings. In those days, they used to call this as giving key to the watch. This is very, very important. So that will help the watch to start back again. However, you have to manually change the date again and the time again. Now, how to do the windings first. Remember, always it is best to give 30 windings every single time when you are taking the watch from its idle position. This is called as winding. The small tire in the right side, you have to turn it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, now 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. It's important that you give 30. Remember, when you are crossing 15, the watch will start again. But you should not stop. You should definitely give 30 windings. To change the date and time, just pull this small crown outside. There you go. The first time you pull the crown away from the base, that is called level 1. When it is in the base, that is level 0. So 0 to 1 you have to pull it, then change the date. If you rotate it in the clockwise direction, the date will change. Remember, there is one important thing you should always remember when you are changing the date. Never do change the date between 9 p.m. to morning 5 a.m. Automatically designed in such a way that in between 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. it will automatically prepare itself to change the date for tomorrow. So manual overriding of that will create torsion inside the system. So please avoid changing the date in this watch or any mechanical watches between 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. in the morning. Pull this crown little more. By this way, you can change the time. Now you can see I'm going to adjust the time. It changes. I think you can see, right? So this is how you should do. And don't worry that I'm going to pull this off outside. This watch is designed in such a way that you cannot take it outside. But remember to not use extreme force on any mechanical watches. After all, these are very important. These are very delicate devices. You can